All right, so here's show you how to process the data. Okay, so on the second day, okay, so you want to kind of process the HPLC chromatogram. Okay, so you open the lab solution window. Okay, shows like this. Okay, and you need to click on the post run and then click on the post run kind of icon. Okay. And so that's kind of a big window, okay, a lot of information, okay. On this the column, okay, so that's the show all the sample we just run, okay. And then this the window shows kind of all the UV spectrum, okay, so all the time, okay, so from 1 minute until kind of the 100 minutes, and then from spectrum kind of we run kind of from 190 to 400 nanometer, okay. And then this one kind of shows real time kind of the spectrum, okay. And then maybe we open one spectrum, kind of you can see, just find the spectrum, okay. So you want to kind of open, okay. So drag it down, okay. A lot of file here, okay. And then next kind of you see kind of that's the adjust kind of the wavelength, okay. You see there kind of some change for this window, okay. So that's kind of different wavelengths, okay. So that's real time kind of the UV trace, okay. And here's kind of showed you some kind of certain time kind of UV spectrum, okay. For example, I move here, okay. Maybe that's 9 minutes kind of the UV spectrum, okay. All right. And so the bottom kind of this the table, okay. So that's actually we call it kind of result window, okay. Showed all the kind of peaks, okay. So retention time and also the area and also area percentage, okay. And the most important kind of windows kind of at this right lower corner, okay. That's you kind of do all the operation, okay. So do kind of the integration, whatever, okay. All right, okay, so for all the HPLC kind of run, we need to set the first absorption kind of wavelength at 260s, okay. So in this case, you need to change the channel kind of wavelength, okay. So we go to kind of this method view kind of window and then find kind of multi-chrome kind of the tab, okay, and then click on kind of edit, okay, and then change this one to 260. And then click yes, okay. All right. Okay, so once this is done, okay, so you can see kind of the channel 1, okay. Okay, so you have to click the view, okay. Now the channel 1 kind of will monitor only kind of 260 kind of nanometer kind of wavelengths, okay. So you can see here kind of channel 1, okay. So if you like, you can increase as many as possible kind of the wavelengths, okay. So you can develop kind of multiple channels, okay. But we only need monitor kind of channel 260 nanometer kind of channel, okay. And make sure click on kind of channel 1, okay. So that's the chromatogram, okay. We need to process, okay. And from here, okay, you can see kind of the lot of peaks kind of defined by the program, okay. So that's too many, okay. So we actually only need the integration and also the retention time for this the full peak ATCG, okay. So how do you adjust it, okay? So go to the view method view window, click on the integration, and then click on the edit, okay. All right, so here, okay, so we can adjust kind of the width, okay. So the kind of peak width. Okay, so all kind of the minimum area height, okay, height, okay. All right, so once you finish input everything, okay, make sure you click on the view window, okay, view kind of the button, okay. So that's the show you kind of after we change these 2 parameters, okay. So what's the result, okay? So that looks like much less kind of the peaks, okay, but not good enough, okay. So you can continue just kind of width and also the minimum area per the height, okay. So another way to do it kind of the manually do it, okay. So manually do it kind of we still click on the edit and click on the program, okay. Okay, and then so there are kind of a lot of small button here, okay. So you can see here, okay, so integrate kind of the 4 major peak we want, okay, but also integrate kind of a bunch of small peak here, okay. And then we can turn off the integration for this area, okay. So from here until here, okay, and simply All right, so in this case here, you can see only 4 peak left, okay, and you click on OK. All right, and then remember, okay, so you need to still click on the view, okay. Yeah, so that's actually kind of the showed only the 4 peak kind of information, okay, in this the peak tables, okay. And so most important information kind of the retention time, okay, so that's the individual kind of peak time, okay, and then area and also area percentage, okay. So based on this information, you should able to calculate kind of get the TR information and also the cofactor information, okay. All right, so once you are finished processing this the sample, okay, you go ahead move to next one, okay. And then you ask kind of whether you want to save kind of file, you can click yes or no, doesn't matter, okay. So yeah. Right. And once you finish processing the data, okay, so go ahead, okay, so yeah, you want to kind of save your file, okay, so yeah, can be processed in future, okay. Oh yeah, export the data, okay. Export the data as kind of X2 file, okay, so that's you can process with kind of Excel or kind of the original and a different other kind of a program, okay. And if you want kind of very nice kind of figures, for your lab report or whatever, okay, you can go here, okay, and then print spectral kind of index, okay, kind of data report, okay, go to here, okay, and then report kind of as a PDF output, okay. So this will save kind of your chromatograph kind of as PDF will include both the HPLC trace and also the table, okay. So let's try it, okay, save it. Yeah, okay. All right, and then let's say kind of how it looks like. Yeah, so that's the PDF file, okay. So yeah, you get, okay, so you can see kind of the full chromatogram, okay, and also the peak table, okay. And then you can go ahead and process the next kind of sample, okay. Here I will show you guys how to kind of turn off HPLC, okay. So normally speaking, if you already set up the turn off method, okay, after your sequence run, okay, so actually you don't need to do anything, okay. And here I showed you just in case you want the stop HPLC run, okay, in the middle of the sequence, okay. How do you do, okay? All right. So first thing you need to click on this stop the symbol, okay. So stop the sequence run, okay. All right. And then just kind of click OK. So stop both kind of data acquisition and also stop the batch table, okay. All right. All right, go back to the data acquisition. And then second thing kind of normally speaking, okay, so you need wash the column with some acetylnitride or methanol, okay, so to remove all the kind of residue, okay, so before you kind of turn it off, okay, so that's little bit KP mind, okay, so you don't want kind of KP the accurate solution or accurate facing into the column, okay, so that's no good to your kind of column the lifetime, okay. But if you continue run kind of the next day, okay, so that's no big issue, okay, so yeah. All right, so next kind of you need the turn down the pump, okay, and then following kind of turn off the UV lamp, okay, so yeah, click on here, okay. So once you turn off, okay, so you see kind of this small the light bulb become kind of grill, that means kind of done, okay. All right, and then following just kind of close all the program, okay. Yeah, all right, that's it, okay. So yeah, you don't need to turn off the main switch of your instrument, okay. But if you like, you can turn it on, okay. So that's save some energy, okay.